Hi, my name is Akiko Ford. Class is Education 1 to 5. Today I will presentation about family interview. I learned structurally diverse families, which are nuclear families, extended family, single parent families, blended families, same-sex families, adoptive families, foster families, and more. Let me introduce interview family's background. She is a single mother and she has a daughter. She is 8 years old. She goes to public elementary school. Her personality, according to the mother, she is a friendly and sweet and she has full of energy. Sometimes that is a weak point for her because she distracted by anything. And she likes dancing and she likes going to the beach and hiking with her mother. And she is working for full-time job. And she is Japanese. She came from Japan. And she does not any religion to believe. She as a single mother, she has a lot of problem and she getting a lot of stress from financial and time and taking care of child. For financial, not a single mother face to this problem. And she have to work long time, so she doesn't have a lot of time to taking care of her child and she cannot get a lot of free time, so she getting stressed a lot. The family's advice on how to build partnership with their family and other family, communicate with the family and other family, involve them in the classroom or school activity or event. Also advocate and be resource their family or other families. She said teacher and school should do that for her lot of things, then she might can do it. The family's advice: if they are involved in classroom events, activities, they can meet other families. If they meet other families, they can communicate with other families. If they communicate with other families, they can build partnership. If they build partnership with other families, they can advocate and be resourceful together. But she is not involved in classroom events and activities because she doesn't have time. The other advice from the family: there are problems. She wants to translate from English to Japanese sometime, only sometime, but she doesn't understand school paperwork. She wants to that school provide Japanese class for after school program to introduce their culture. She doesn't have time to take daughter to outside of school. Also, she does not feel support from teacher in school. She wants that they understand her situation more, such as she is a busy woman. So, she wants to teachers support. So, what kind of support she want to? I think positive communication is best for her. Positive communication is good news from teacher about her child. Also communicate with her constantly. and communicate with good time for her. Good timing is she is working, so teacher should ask what time or when she can call or what kind communicate is best for her. Then teacher can support her more than now. The family should get support from teacher, school, and friends and neighbors, and also community program agency organization. One of the community program agency organization is called MidQuest Hawaii. MidQuest Hawaii provide free health insurance for poverty families, age for birth to 19 years old. If people need free health insurance, they gonna go to office or visit online, get application home, and apply. When they prove they can get free health insurance. Also, MidQuest Hawaii provide any language translator. Strategies for teacher to work with support this family group. Keyword is communication. I think communication is really important for this family group. First, teacher should try to get information about the family. If teacher doesn't have information about the family, teacher cannot understand. Second, teacher make time for them or ask them what time is best time for them. Third, teacher should send positive news about the child. The family doesn't wanna get only negative news. So if keep getting negative news, the family doesn't talk to the teacher. Fourth, teacher should listen to their opinion. Fifth, teacher should make comfortable classroom environment. The most important thing is child's education and future. We as a teacher and school and community, neighbors, friends should support single mother and other family groups. The end. Thank you.